we are going to be doing a CHEEZ-TRIX, right? What you say? CHEEZ-TRIX side. So, these are the rules of the game, right? These are the rules of the challenge. Everybody gonna get 4 pack to finish. It was 6 before. Now it's at 4. Because me don't want nobody ball. Mini, you go ball. Right? And listen to me now. We don't have to finish all of the CHEEZ-TRIX. Everything in on the ball. And the ball, listen to me. Listen now, listen. Alright, so you're not supposed to have none on the ground when you finish. Get that, Mini? Alright, so listen up now. Today we have OJ over there, so everybody remember OJ from the last video. OJ the champion. We have Minimite. Alright, Minimite. And we have 2 newcomers. We have Raven. Hey. And we have Riri. Yeah, look like they're ready too. I want to say everybody ready? Yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Everybody is supposed to get 4 in a them ball. So everybody ready?
Yeah.
Minnie, you ready? Hands off the table. Wait, boy. So listen, everybody I go up on my count, right? Listen for the countdown and then go, and then you start. Ask the question. No, you're going to eat with the hand. You're going to eat with the hand, man. But I just don't want no hands on the table to start, alright? And the prize is the beach. Mini, OJ, I bother me from win to go a beach. But only one person me I care go. The person who win. The person who wins is going to the beach. So, if you want fit, go a beach. You better win. Simple as that. Alright, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You have to use a hand too, you know. Use a hand them too. Remember, you know, you can't waste none. Can't wait. Take you up and eat the boss. Yes, take you up. Take you up. Brill. Are you want to go over there? Alright, Riri, me see you. Minimite! Hold them again, Mini! Is it doable? Can it be done? No man, Mini, I go on with things, man. Or just because he's ball broad. Mini, you sure say a 4 bag put in that? But it look like Mini win. Look like Mini win. Mini, you go on with that thing, man. He can't win. We are looking at him ball. Brownie, me go put in a video. Hello, please sit down. Please sit down. No, please sit. You only get up when you finish or when the game done. Raven. Raven. Come now, man. You do this thing too often. Riri, yeah, mash them up. OJ, pick up them there, fella. Pick them up and eat them, boss. Better you go over the table. Because I don't want on the waist. Take no time and make sure so none no drop because I find one. Okay, Riri. Hello, what did I say, ma'am? Please follow the rules. No, you not finished yet. You not finished yet. Wait, you not give up already. You not give up. Hey, Riri, I done them. No, Riri, I done them. Hello, boss, take your time. Take your time because you dash with them there. Little crumbs there, Riri, little crumbs. Wipe up the crumbs. Okay. Seems like we do have a winner. Riri, mash them up. Yes, Riri, I done them. Minimite. Boy, like the second narrow into them. Let me check. Let me see what I go on. Alright, OJ, I do a thing too. You give up because why? You lose. You give up. You accept defeat. Look how much you have and look how much everybody else have. Riri finish. OJ, the put a little thing over here, so like, more finish second. And Minimite. Hold a minute, boy. I don't know how few more can hold so much food. You feel win everyone. You don't feel lose none at all. But here's where you have the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. And this, everybody, is the look of defeat. Wah, wah, wah. Where you going to look water? You're more dry, not true? Minnie, what you say? What are your words? You come third. Only one winner we have still now. Riri, winner. What you say? Number one. Number one. Yeah, and as usual, we have Minimite to do film thing. Wait, no, you don't see a Minimite time for shine. Minimite. Hold them, Minimite. Hold them. Them the hand in have to wash again, you know, man. Them the hand in have to wash again. No, that's too much now. That's too much. No, sir, remember me telling you, say, no, I have to win. If you no win, no can't go.
You promise me.
Me no promise nobody.
Yeah, you promise me.
When me promise you?
You promise me and OJ. I remember I did just cause my birthday party.
You mean me promise you and Minimite?
Yes. No lies.
Minimite, that's you?
Yes.
That's you?
Yes. Johnny too.
Johnny.
Johnny get promise.
Johnny, you get promise too? Say you want to go beach? You want to go beach, Raven?
Yeah,
Riri, you win. You have to go beach. So everybody want to go beach? Alright, everybody will go beach.
yeah.
Stand up, boy. You got like couldn't run over cross the road, so. Alright, go on now. how we have to do the turn. You went up me here. After a dive, didn't realize, oh, went up me here. So no now bus no style. Oh, you bus a style. Come on out. One more time, one. Just do it. Alright, minimize one piece side. Which back flick? OJ can back flick. Right now, we try back flick in broke his neck. Oh, you don't know so enough. You do up there, hurry up and come on 5 people in boat. Watch out! Turn around. Turn around. Raven, they won't murder you. Hey, come back my seat again. Let me see if none of it wash out. Come, turn around. Alright, so my money couldn't reach up 5, you know. Only 3 me could have buy, so here you go now. Champion over there, so Rihanna get 1 for herself. And then the other 2. Hold on. Drink first then. Man, no one drink. Man, no one taste of Johnny Lily water. What's that? The cover. Rihanna. Rihanna, you join your Sprite. Make salt water go in your Sprite. No, you can't drink it. Salt water will make you sick. Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Oi. You alright? You sure? You sure say I don't wash it? You sure say I don't wash it? Hold on, let me help you. Come here, help you. Come here, help you. Come here, help you. Come here, help you. Come. Come here, help you. Because you look like you wash it. Yeah, man, go nearer to shore. You don't know what make you gone all the way out there, so stay up the pan side of me, please.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Okay. Toodles.
Bye.